Yo, what's up, everybody? Cam again. So, right here, what I got for you, let me just move this from the old video and just fucking throw that over there. So, all right, back to it. So, what I got for you guys here is a nice little ADM mount that I bought for my Vortex Razor Gen 2E. Really good. I got an optics package. Like I said before, I strongly recommend getting those optics packages from like ADM. I also know Unity has some. I believe Reptilia probably has some. Those are really good mounts. Scalarworks, I don't know. I really didn't look them up. But I was buying a lower through ADM. I was like, might as well just get all of it through one fucking site, save myself some time, because I was doing this at like 4 in the morning. Just because I was like, oh shit, gun parts. Might as well get that credit card out. You already know. But yeah, it's pretty well-known mount. ADM, obviously, they make a great rifle, of course. I'm sure everyone's heard of their UIC Mod 2s and stuff like that. I strongly recommend those. Also, with ADM, I know you'll probably never see this, but I called a customer service dude named Alex. Really nice, really awesome. I called him like 3 times. I kind of get excited when I purchase gun parts. It's like a fucking kid in a GameStop. You know, so you don't want to stop talking about it. And I called him because I actually purchased the wrong mount. I got I believe it was the Recon mounts, which are also really nice, but I have some plans in the future for this that I want to be able to do that I couldn't have done with the Recon mounts. But called them up, changed my order, was very nice. Awesome people at American Defense Manufacturing. I strongly recommend you get parts and accessories and weapons and lowers, uppers, all that fun stuff from them, because they make good quality products. So getting into this unboxing, we're gonna open it up. Not very, elegant of a box. I don't give a fuck. I build PCs, so I like unboxing shit is just orgasmic for me. That's why I'm making these, is because my own enjoyment, and I can fulfill my deep dark desires and shit. So this mount itself, open it up before. That's the cap that comes on the Vortex Razor, the one that it comes with. So I'll throw that over there. Probably never see it. It's gonna get lost somewhere. But so the actual mount itself, wrapped in plastic. Cool little sticker that of course is gonna go on the safe. What is this? I think this might be Loctite, red Loctite, which is fine. I got a million things with Loctite. And then instructions, how to actually use it, all that fun stuff. So pretty basic. Got a hex key, so that's gonna be nice. It's gonna be cool being able to torque it down and everything, even though I'm not going to use it because I have an actual torque wrench. But yeah, throw that to the side. All right, baby yourself. So we're going to take this bitch out of the bag. There we go. That is nice. This is awesome. Oh shit, sorry for hitting my camera, or my phone. I don't have an actual camera. This is kind of a thing I decided I want to do a couple days ago, and I'm impatient, so I was just like, fuck it, might as well just use my phone. But anyway, so this is the ADM mount. So why did I actually get this mount? The reason why I got it is because it's a high set mount, so it stands up at like 1.93 inches, which is pretty high. The reason why I did it is because I don't have to put my cheek as much in my actual stock of my rifle as much with this. Now, I've never used one of these. Full disclaimer, I've never used one of these, and all of this stuff I've purchased myself, of course. I have 0 subscribers and absolutely no following, so ADM's not gonna send me shit, nor would I expect them to, because that'd just be whack. Be pretty stupid, to be honest. But why did I choose this? So 1.93 inch mount. This is a Delta H. Of course, it's got that offset in it, and it's higher, so it allows me to have quicker target acquisition. I'm not going to shoot this thing under nods, mainly because I don't have nods. That's the plan for the future, though, just because. Credit card, of course. Don't use a credit card. Don't go into debt buying gun shit. Get a good job, get a good education. You can buy whatever you want. So Well, not technically whatever you want, but anyway, fuck, what was I saying? Okay, so it's, you know, higher, quicker target acquisition. When I was doing research on this, I actually found out that 1.93 might not be the best in terms of actually long range shooting, which is fine, of course, because I want to be able to train to do that. I've never done it personally, but I'm going to tomorrow. I'm going to shoot this thing. Well, I'm going to shoot a new rifle I bought, optic, got a bunch of rounds I'm going to put through it. So yeah, I'm going to try it, get everything zeroed. This is also very durable from what I've seen. When I was doing my research on it, people were very happy with it. They were satisfied, worked very well, which is what you want from a mount. You want this thing to be boring. You know, you don't want to have to think about it too much, what you can and can't do. So some things about this, of course, that I do like and I love is with these scope rings. I do plan on adding a red dot on top of my LPVO at the 12 o'clock. Now this is really high, so my height overboard is going to be absolutely insane. But something I'm going to train around. And if I really don't like it, I'll just get another one because I'm sure this thing's going to be awesome. And I'll let you guys know how I feel about it once I put enough rounds through it. Probably at about 1,000 rounds, I'm going to do like follow-ups on everything, which really isn't a whole lot. But I just feel like once you get to that 1,000 round mark, that's when stuff is probably gonna fail if it's like a QC issue or anything like that. But don't buy from PSA, even though I do have their 103, which is cool. But yeah, so it allows me to add a red dot on top. You just take this off. Of course, you unscrew all these and take it out. So some specifications on this thing. This thing's made out of aluminum, I believe, which is pretty nice. It's going to be very hefty, going to be very durable, rugged, reliable, which is what you want from something like this. Also offset, so I can get this thing a lot closer to my eye, which is cool. Yeah, this is also this thing's really cool just because it's like a quick detach system. So pretty much the way it works is you pull on this little thing right here, and then you can probably should have started back here first. You know, you can unattach this from your rail, and if you need more adjustments, you screw these in right here. And if your upper or your rail is slightly out of spec, you'd be able to make it happen and attach it, which is nice. I really like it for that, just because, you know, more options available. So yeah, but that really pretty much does it. There's not too much about this thing, which is fine. You don't want too many systems. You don't want too much shit going on with something like this. You want this to be boring, which is what I believe. You shouldn't have to worry about stuff, but buy once, cry once, right? Spend good money on stuff, you'll get good reliability. Usually, do your research before you do anything. Don't just buy shit because someone tells you it's good. I hope if anyone who's watching this is thinking about getting one of these, don't just watch this video. Watch everyone's video that's made something about it. Even though I haven't seen anything about this mount specifically on YouTube, ADM's a great manufacturer. They're very reputable, so I highly recommend them for their mounts. Unity also makes a good mount, of course. Reptilia makes a good mount. Scalar works, all that jazz. So yeah, I'm gonna mount this on my rifle. Of course, we'll put my optic in it, of course, because that'd be retarded to not. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching this. You know, you guys be safe out there. Do your research, and yeah, be smooth, y'all. Love you guys. Thanks for watching again.